Hello world, my name is Gia from Gia Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to work with folders in CMD. So we're going to learn these commands in this video. MD is used to make directory, mkdir is alternate used to empty, and rm is used to delete directory, and rmdir is alternate used to rm. For example, the md and mkdir are same, and rm and rmdir are same. And if you want to delete all of the files inside the folder, including the folder, you need to use rmdir /snq delete. For example, the rm and rmdir will only remove empty folder. It cannot be remove folders which has files in them. For example, if you want to remove files inside it along with the folder, you have to use some kinds of parameters like this s and q. So we're going to learn them really quickly. So in order to learn, first open the CMD and navigate to desktop. So I'm inside my user account. I need to navigate to desktop. Now if I want to make directory, I can type empty and the folder name is going to be folder 10111. Okay, so if I want to remove them, I can type rd and the folder 10111. Okay, so I can also use rmdir. I can also use mkdir, and the folder name is folder 11111. So if I want to remove them, rmdir folder 1111. Okay, so if I want to remove this folder which has in file inside this, so if I use rm folder 1, it will never remove the file. So if I use rmdir folder 1, it will never remove the file. Okay, it will never remove the folder. In order to remove that, I need to use this command rmdir sq, then the folder name is. Okay, now it will be removed. So these are the things we have learned in this short video. We have learned how to make directories and how to remove directories, and also how to remove directory which has files in them. So I have put these notes in the description of this video. In the upcoming videos, we're gonna learn another commands in CMD. So before we get started into writing batch scripting, it is very important to study the fundamentals command like this. If you don't know this command, you can't write them in a programmatic way. So in upcoming videos, what we are going to do, we're going to write batch scripting to automate computer tasks. So in order to do that, we have to know the knowledge of this basic command. That's what I'm teaching to you. So if you know this basic command, or if you want to learn advanced batch scripting, you can skip these basic videos and directly gonna watch the advanced video. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you see you in the next video.